What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark. Let's talk some Cardano because we're seeing some very interesting things go down on the chart. We're seeing some volume increases, a little bit of a surge. What's going on right now? Let's break it all down for you guys. We'll take a dive into the trading view as well. I'll show you exactly what's happening on the chart right here, right now, because this is kind of a big move, right? We've crossed over a lot of moving averages, and as we get into the weekend, we're still trading in that range where, I've talked to you about this band where Cardano has been with its support and resistance, and we're kind of just right above that right now. We're at the top of that band, and it's not nothing where we're going to report, oh my gosh, Cardano is going to hit $1. But it's also something where I want to share with you that we're not also falling in that narrative about it being a ghost chain, a zombie chain. Cardano's dead, right? So I want to share with you guys what's going on. I'll break it all down for you guys in this video. But first, make sure you all are subscribed right here down below. Just click that button, turn on that notification bell, and let's get down into it, okay? Please remember, though, not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence with everything crypto and financial that we talk. These expressions are just my opinions and beliefs, and not to be conveyed as anything more than that, okay? But this is where we see 48 cents for Cardano, all right? And I'm going to zoom in right here so you guys get a better picture of what's going on. If we date back to the 15th of May, all right, right here, look at what we've done since then, okay? I'm going to measure it off because right here you can see we have basically done a 12, 13% in just less than 2 days, 48 hours. All right, now Cardano is simply put above those moving averages. A lot of whale activity, right? These big green candles, they're not nothing where this is not retail involvement. This is some substantial buys that have been vaulting Cardano up to 48 cents. But if we zoom out, I'll show with you what I mean. If we date back to, say, around April, right? We had this little bit of a surge, and even further so back into the early parts of April. You can see what I'm talking about. This is this range, okay? So we have that 48 cents line, that red line, and I'll draw this. This is a firmly placed 42 cents support level for Cardano, all right? And right here in this box, this is a huge range where if we look at it and then we think about it, what is actually happening? Well, Cardano's trading, and we're seeing a lot of volume. And that's what I want to get into. We're going to talk about why we're seeing skyrocketing volume for ADA. But first, I do want to share with you guys Margex. This is my trading exchange that I use when I trade on leverage. Up to 100x leverage. You also get a sign-up bonus up to $10,000 just by registering and creating an account with Margex. There's no KYC. Always do your own research and due diligence. Make sure it's right for you because trading with leverage is a very volatile sport. There is something also that I want to share with you about Margex. Something very cool. This is the copy trading platform. Okay, so what you can do is basically follow this leaderboard and look at these users at the top of the leaderboard. Experiencing ROE over 2,000%. 134 people have been following them. Definitely takes the guesswork out of it. It's something where I know a lot of users have been having success about that. I've been hearing that in the comments and with other peers that I talk to day in and day out about crypto. Okay, let's get back into the news. I want to share with you what is actually happening. Okay, and this is a significant surge that we've seen within trading activity. And right now, we've seen this bullishness. Okay, we had a death cross a couple days ago, and that's where we were worried about Cardano breaking down. But now we've seen 26+% over the last 24 hours, which is roughly $465 million in trading volume. That is a lot of open interest. Now, amidst this, this is where we've seen a lot of a 24-hour activity increase, that uptick, 7.44%, okay? And that's where I showed you a lot of consolidation we've seen on the chart. We talked about that 42 to 48 cents sideways kind of band that we have going on, that range, okay? But this is where you see a lot of the movements might be reflecting some of the investor confidence within Cardano and what they're doing, right? We talked about the Ouroboros Genesis coming out. We've talked a little bit about the renewed interest, the open interest on the open market. Also, this is something where the technology with Cardano, it's going to be here for time to come. It's not something where I'm going to say, hey guys, you got to invest in Cardano right now because in 5 days we're going to do a 500x. That's not Cardano. That's not why I'm invested in it. Whether or not I'm bullish or not, I'm just giving you guys the news and trying to stay as objective as I can, okay? I do hold Cardano, full disclosure, and this is something that excites me. We're seeing open interest, not necessarily just from the retail side. This is a lot of institutions. Also, we're seeing the bullishness with basically not just Cardano's prospects, but this is something where we've seen a lot of this trading volume. So we couple both of these together, and what's that leave us with? That is a true market outlook where we have a lot of surging in not just what we're seeing within transactionally within ADA, but more so within, like I said, investor confidence. So if this is going to continue as an uptrend, we're going to continue to monitor ADA on the chart. I wanted to share with you guys these couple factors that we have going on, because now it's not just me, it's not just you guys. There are a lot of people that are buying into the thought where Cardano, it might be actually turning the corner, okay? So a little bit of bullishness, that's always a good thing to report. That's what I wanted to share with you guys in this video. Before we head out of here, make sure you guys are all subscribed down below. Smash that like button, and please let me know your thoughts down below in the comments box. But I appreciate you guys. Remember to check out the links down below if you want to get started signing up with Margex, get started trading today. That's something very important. It's also a great way, if we are going to hit this next cycle, what better not way than to trade with some leverage, because that's what a lot of people did with Bitcoin on the way up. And when Bitcoin hit all-time highs, there was a lot of traders that made a lot of money trading Bitcoin on leverage. So appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys all in the next video. Have a great rest of your day and weekend. Cheers.